So, today, my new JCB 5CX backhoe loader just came in by Bruder. This toy is brand new. It literally just came out at the end of March of this year. And I am really, really excited because this is the first one I have ever seen like it. We'll just do that because it'll be easier to get the box out this way. Now, here's Wheeze goes. Oh, I didn't see that. Alright, now. So here it is, finally out of the box. Boy, I've been waiting a while for this. Whatever you do not buy from Inside Out Distribution, because that is who sold this, and they'll make you wait for a long time. A really long time. So, see, I'm going to need to get scissors for this piece. Or wire cutters, one of the two. Could you turn it off for me? Here now, I'm gonna cut the wires to this thing. There we go. Now let's see how to attach this thing. Looks pretty self-explanatory. You just take this piece and it's, okay, I see. It just fits in like a little Lego piece. It's just a matter of getting it lined up so that it'll stay. There we go. Okay, so that works that. And then where's the little lever thingy? Well, looks like I got another wire to cut. Good thing I brought my wire cutters. Okay, so the driver door opens, and this side door opens. Man, this thing looks nice. Now, let's put our operator in here. No, I didn't want you to go in there like that. Well, I'll worry about it later, I guess. But anyway, this thing is awesome. Okay, so it would appear that you raise the bucket like this, and then this little trigger right here moves the bucket up and down. Let's see how many teeth you got on here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is actually more like a small front end loader bucket than it is a regular backhoe bucket. Well, great. Now why can't I shut the door on the right side? Trying to see how you would go about fixing that. Oh, well, okay, that's how you take the door off. But, alright, let's see. Alright, here are some things that I discovered after I fixed the door here. Okay, both doors open, but then this rear door, this rear window also opens, which I think is pretty cool. It folds up like that. And then the seat spins around so you can work the back controls of the backhoe. But as for the others, it looks like the controls are attached to the seat, which is really neat. And then, you know, you have your standard control set here. But here's the kicker. Underneath here is a drag link axle that turns all 4 of these heavy off-road tires around. But when the cab is open, you can actually see the steering wheel turning while these turn. That is too cool. Now, the next part, you get outriggers that come out of the back to stabilize the backhoe while you're digging. And then when you dig, you know, you can move the shovel around like that. And then if you want to lock it, you lock the bottom part first, and then you lock the top part. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, Bruder's newest thing that just came out, the JCB 5CX loader backhoe.